everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed French toast that tastes just like the Tarangoa Toast at the Disneyland Hotel. The full recipe will be listed in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version on my website, MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure you are subscribed and have turned on notifications so you don't miss any delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the citrus custard filling. 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 box of instant vanilla pudding, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. In a mixing bowl or a food processor, beat together the milk, heavy cream, instant vanilla pudding, and lemon zest for about 1 minute until completely combined. Place the custard in a container and refrigerate until ready to use. For the guava syrup, you will need 2 cups of guava nectar, which is found in most grocery stores, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. To make the syrup, mix 1/2 cup of the guava nectar with the cornstarch. Heat the remaining 1.5 cups of the guava nectar on the stovetop until boiling. Reduce the heat and add the cornstarch mixture. Stir until the syrup has thickened and keep it warm while you make the French toast. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the French toast. 4 eggs, 1 1/3 cups of milk or cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 loaf of Texas toast, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Prepare the cinnamon sugar coating by mixing together the 3/4 cup of sugar with the cinnamon. Set aside. Make the batter by using a blender or food processor to mix the eggs, milk, vanilla, and sugar together. Then pour the batter into a shallow bowl. Spread 1 or 2 tablespoons of the custard onto the bread and place a second slice on top like a sandwich. Dip the French toast into the batter, making sure to coat both sides. Set the air fryer to 320 degrees. Once it has reached that temperature, spray the air fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray and add the French toast. Cook the toast for 3 minutes, then flip over and cook the other side for 3 minutes. Remove the stuffed French toast from the air fryer. If you plan to fry the French toast, the instructions will be in the description below. To cook the French toast the traditional way, heat a griddle to 325 degrees or a frying pan on a stove over medium-high heat and add butter. Place the battered French toast slices on the griddle or pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Now it's time to add the cinnamon sugar coating. If you use the air fryer method, you'll want to brush the French toast with melted butter in order for the cinnamon sugar to stick. If you use the other cooking methods, go ahead and place the French toast in the cinnamon sugar and coat on all sides. Serve your Disneyland stuffed French toast with guava syrup and a dollop of whipped cream. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Remember that the full recipe and printable version are in the description below, and don't forget to visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more Disney-inspired recipes. See you next time!